Hey yo, I am about to tape my dad sleeping. This shit is so fucking funny. But I gotta pee first, so hold the fuck on. Get my hair wildin', B. My hair wildin', B. Say the. My face look fat as hell on this shit. God damn. Hold up. Wash the hands first. Nah, I mean. Now, how the fuck do I. Sheesh.